What's good, y'all? It's your boy Just J21X on YouTube once again. I want to say good morning to each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today, guys, we're here at Caffeine and Octane Cars and Coffee once again. The last event we had, it was definitely a wild one. Definitely had the craziest since last month of the year of Caffeine and Octane December. It's the first one of the year. Of course, we're starting off the year very strong, very great. There's a lot of cars that are going to possibly be here. It's supposed to be a packed one. So without further ado, with that being said, let's just get right into the video. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with y'all friends, family, whoever. Y'all help me get up to 800 subscribers. And let's just get right into the video, y'all. Here we go. So starting off the first lineup, y'all, we got my car in the lineup. Let's see, once again, got my hood popped up. And we also have, you know, a C5 Corvette right here. Very nice, I see, very low. And then check this out, y'all. We got a Ferrari 296 that rolled in right here. This thing is nice, y'all. This was the one we seen at the Annie's meet. And then we also have, you know, a very nice looking Dodge Viper GTS right here. And then we also have the Porsche right here, the 911 GT3 RS. And then check this out. We got a Mitsubishi I've never seen before in that orange and gray. And then we also have the MR5 Super right here. Very nice seeing that out as well. This thing is nice, y'all, on that black. Never thought we would see that out.
Yeah, I could try.
Very nice looking lineup this morning, y'all. Got the first biker rolling in, I see. Very nice in that beautiful red. Love to see that. Check this out, y'all. We got the Nissan 350Z Forza Horizon rolling in. That's the same car we've seen before that was actually here at the meet. Very nice seeing that with the gold brown wheels. This thing is nice, y'all. I love the wheels that it has, red brakes. And we got this Mustang right here, Terminator. This thing is nice, man. Got the Honda Civic rolling in, the first Civic coming in, I see. Very nice. Check this out, y'all. We got this Subaru rolling in right here. It's got the highlighter green calipers. Very nice seeing that. Got a very nice, beautiful 5.4 Mustang with some wheels. It's got the red calipers right there. This thing is nice, y'all. Love the color on this one. Check this out, y'all. We got the C7 Corvette rolling in. Got the Z06 right here. We also have the Mustang. And this is how we start. Yeah, these cars are loud. This is how we start the year. One way to start the year off with some revving, y'all. Got the red Mustang right here rolling up the GT. And we also got the Mustang right here as well. Modern Memphis. Got this one right here. Very nice. Got the 5.0. We got this Bronco right over here. This thing is nice, y'all. I gotta really get the video of that. This thing is nice in that white. Very nice seeing that. Very nice, beautiful looking motorcycle right over here. This thing is nice, y'all, in that color orange, man. Never thought we would see that out. Got the new Integra rolling up with some lights, I see. Very nice seeing that coming out. But then right behind me, check this out, y'all. Got this MR4 Super rolling in. Oh my God. This thing is crazy. Got a B-lock in the back. Very nice looking tires. It's gonna park next to me, y'all. I'm lucky, y'all. I've never seen a Super like that parked right next to my car before, y'all. That's crazy. Surprisingly. Got an RT Charger Hemi right here rolling up. Very nice seeing that coming out. Got the C8 Vet right here that just rolled in, y'all. Very nice in that white and that color. Got the red brakes I see. Definitely a nice color C8. Got the motorcycle boys. Got the motorcycle boys coming in rowdy, revving. Got this Chrysler right over here rolling up, the Crossfire. And we also got this one right here. We got two Crossfires rolling up. What? That's crazy. Very nice seeing both of them. I never thought we would see these two. Both coming in, y'all. Got a beautiful blue Volkswagen R right over here. I gotta definitely get a video of that. This thing is very nice and beautiful in that color. Got this Lexus right over here that's rolling in, V8 spec. Got some V8 action on this one. This is the one that sent it at the Annie's meet the last time I came out here. Very nice seeing that. Got this Camaro SS rolling in right here. It actually has the C8 tail lights in the back. Very nice. We got my boy Godu Zay rolling in with his loud catless RT Charger. And then we also have my boy here with his SRT Scat. Very nice. And we also have the Shelby GT350. This thing sounded crazy, man. Yeah, this we got this car right here. Look like a Trans Am rolling in. This thing is nice, y'all. That's a Trans Am, y'all. I don't know what year these are made. If y'all know what year these are made, y'all please let me know in the comments, man, because this thing is nice, y'all. Never really seen too many of those around, but I could tell they definitely was made in the 1900s, y'all, for sure. But then check this out. We got a C6 right over here. Dang, this thing is nice. Got the ZL11 LE. We got my boy here with his ZL1 with the 360 cam. We got this ZL1 right over here. And we also got this SS right here. Very nice. And then we also have, you know, a 5.0 Mustang. Very nice seeing that. Pro Charge. Got the RT Scat right here. Very nice seeing that. Check this out, y'all. Oh my God, we got a McLaren Altura that rolled in, man. This color is crazy, y'all. It's a beautiful orange. You never see McLaren Alturas. Check this out, y'all. We got this type of car right there. Look like a hydrant rolling in. This thing is beautiful, man. Yes, sir. Love the white and red brakes. And we got this loud 5.0 rolling in. Oh my God. Please don't rev it when I'm behind you, because this thing is loud. And we have the G8 right here. Oh my God. Very nice. We got my boy here with his S650, y'all. Very nice seeing that. Yes, sir. Love to see that. We got this very beautiful Audi RS7 right here. This thing is in that matte gray. Love to see that coming out as well. Very nice looking color. We got the wide body GTR right here rolling up, and check this out, y'all. We got this Porsche 911, man. Holy cow, this thing is crazy in that color yellow. GT3 RS, man. And we got the Accelerate yellow C8. And check this out, y'all. Got an M4, M3 right here rolling in. This thing is nice in that white. Got this 5.0 Mustang right here rolling in, I see. Very nice seeing that. Got this 5.0 Mustang right here rolling in. This thing is nice. Got a Shelby GT350 rolling in right here, y'all. Very nice seeing that in that black. Man, we got some more cars rolling in, man. It doesn't get any better. We got Mark 5 Supers right here. Got double trouble, not one but two. Got double trouble. You going the other way, I see. We got this BMW rolling in right here. Very nice. Got this S650 right here rolling in. Very nice in that gray. Love the color on this one. Yes, sir. Got this Burnouts. This thing Mustang is loud. Her Mustang is loud. Got this Celine Mustang right here. I think this is. It's a GT actually, but look at the exhaust pipes on that, y'all. Got the Subaru right over here, Wagoneer. We got the 5th Gen SS that just rolled up. This thing actually sounded good. I wish I had got it on video for y'all when I heard it. But this thing is nice with the white stripes right here. Got this RS right over here that just rolled in. It's got something on the windshield. I don't know the name of this one. The windshield. Got my boy Hemi Shade rolling in with his Charger, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 360 cam. We got my boy with the Mustang. And we also got the boy Smoke, you know, 392. Yes, sir. And we got the SRT8 Jeep. Got the Genesis rolling in right here. Very nice seeing that. Yes, sir. Got the Mustang right over here rolling in. 5.0 Mustang. Got the boy in the Chrysler rolling up right here. RT Chrysler, that thing is nice on that blade. Got the biker right here rolling in. Yes, sir. Got my boy right here with his wide body Camaro RS right here rolling up. Very nice. Wide bodied. Got a very nice lady driven C28 right here rolling in. This thing is nice. Got a C5 right here rolling in. This thing is nice, y'all. Slammed to the ground with the wheels. And then we also have some classics right here. Oh my God. And we got this. And the MR5 Super. We got my boy here with the Corvette LS Swap Chevy truck. This thing is nice, man. Love to see that out. Got the bikers right here. This is crazy, man. And look, it keeps getting better, man. They got more bikes. The first meet of the year, man. I'm glad I came out. Got this Civic right here rolling in. Very nice in that purple. Got this very nice BMW that's parked right in the backyard. Very nice seeing that out, really. Alright, y'all, it's that time of the show, y'all. We got some balls about to leave, man. Got this mirror. Time that pulled up, y'all, at the end to me definitely looked like a TRX, but it actually is a RHOIC. Pretty wild, y'all. I don't even know if this is a TRX. The last time people were saying it's not a TRX, but it has a TRX body style. Got a S650 right here rolling up. My boy came in with the red brakes. I see, very nice wheels. Very nice seeing that. Got the Camaro's boys rolling in right here. Got this one right here with the ghost on the windshield. Got this SS right here. Here comes the Audi, y'all. Mark 5 going the other way. Look at the Volkswagen. Still scented though. Seeing that out, gold brown wheels I see. Oh, that's a Jeep Wrangler right there. There's a C8 right here. He might come fly by. He's coming in out there. Hellcat rolling in, missing the C5, and they got this drizzle.
We need somebody to fly.
It's a Lexus, a V8 right here coming. Genesis. Dang, that G8. That dude hauling.
C8 leaving.
Viper and C8 leaving that way. Nice looking Chrysler. Alright y'all, that's gonna end today's video. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. It was a crazy one that I never really expected, but I'm not gonna say too much about how I felt about this one, but this one was crazy and it was a pretty good one other than this. Remember, y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with y'all friends, family, whoever. Y'all help me get up to 800 subscribers, and I'll see y'all guys in the next video, y'all. Peace.